Hello friends, good morning. Today I'm going to unboxing the Father's Day gift from my church. And see, this is the box and this is little bit damaged. See? Alright, I'm gonna open it, alright? I'm so curious what I got from the church for Father's Day gift. Wow. Check it out, check it out. It's amazing. They put the wow, I got a what they call it? Oh, I got a mini power bank from Anchor. See this one? Mini power bank from Anchor. 5000 mAh. Right, you can see clearly. Alright, this is what it looks like. See, very nice. Well, I think they can use it for, I think you can just put your phone here too to charging. Alright. Wow. Alright, so this is what I got for Father's Day gift. And for sure I will need this one. Alright. Thank you for watching, friends. God bless.